All right, today we're gonna bring these shell making or baking. If you want, you can make your hard shell tacos with this. Tostadas is very good, very popular right now. Where you put a tortilla in here, it expands and it becomes the actual bowl. So now they come in pair of fours, but I'm gonna only use three right now. We're gonna get a plate first because if you have flour tortillas, they're not flexible. They won't go in properly until you push them in a little bit. What I like to do is add oil to them, all right, on both sides, oil. And we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna show you. So if you can't get them blended, a little, it's too hard, put them on the microwave, all right? We get olive oil, brush. Gives that a little crunchy taste, all right? Flip it. You guys see it. Now you grab your shell taco casing, right? Put it in there. Even it out. It's all lean on one side. It's okay. There we go. That's perfectly even right there. Let's cool them off. So there's one shell. Beautiful. That's one. Next one, two. And then three. We're gonna let them cool off before we take them out of the actual tray. And we're gonna turn off the bake off. They're well cooked. They took the shape on, right? I'm not gonna touch them. They're super hot, so it's not bad. Real simple. All right, let's see if this thing took on its shape now that it cooled off. Look at that beautiful tostada. Look at that. Beautiful, I said. Ooh, look at this beautiful homemade shell. I don't even know where to start on this one. It looks good. It looks so beautiful, I don't even want to eat it, but we must. I'm gonna start taking it apart.